Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to sell crypto on Telegram wallet using P2P market. So if you want to sell your different cryptos on Telegram wallet like USDT, Ethereum, dogs, name them, any of your crypto or token on Telegram wallet, this video is for you. So the first thing you have to do is to launch your Telegram wallet. The next thing is to tap on the three horizontal line at the left corner of your screen. Tap on your wallet. So on my wallet, I just have to tap on P2P market. Then tap on sell. So on sell, you are going to see different merchandise, or you call them different buyers or appetizers of crypto. These people are people that trades on crypto. You sell your crypto to them, they pay you back in your different currency. Though these different people that we have here, some of them you are not allowed to trade with them for some reasons, which I'm going to tell you before the end of this video. So the first thing you have to do is to tap on method. On method, you are going to see the different banks and method of payment when you sell your crypto or your token. So I'm going to be selecting bank transfer. Tap on done. Okay, now the reason why, after selecting bank transfer, you just have to tap on done. Then come on verification. You tap on verification, you select trusted merchant, you tap on done. Come to the currency. On your currency, you select any of the currency of your choice, but because I'm from Nigeria, I'll just have to make use of Naira, so I'm going to leave my currency that way. The next one is crypto. If you want, you see you have different cryptos here. We have the USDT, we have the Tom, BTC, Notcoin, Dogs, and Hamster. But because I want to talk about USDT, I'm going to leave it on USDT. Then now you're going to enter the amount of USDT that you wish to sell. So let me say I want to sell 7,000 USDT. Okay, so now these are the number of people or the different traders or buyers that can be able to sell this kind of amount of USDT for me. If you look at what their features here, you are going to see that they have available of 4,000. The first person here have available of 4,540 USDT, and his limit of selling for Naira is 1,600 to 7,374,988. So if the money is below this amount or more than 7 million, you cannot trade with this person. And you can see the different payment method. He allows PalmPay, bank transfer, Access Bank, Kudo Banks, Naira, and OPay. So if you do not fall within this limit, you cannot work with this buyer. Likewise, the next buyer, he allows payment of limit. He has limit of 2,000 to 4 million Naira. Anything below or above 4 million Naira, he will not trade with you. He is not permitted to trade with you as far as P2P market in Telegram wallet is concerned. So the next thing, and if you look at it now, you see that each of them have a verified badge, which signifies that they are being verified and trusted by Telegram. So the next thing you have to tap on is sell. Let me say I tap sell. Then now you can enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Okay, let me say I want to sell. Remember I told you that I want to sell $7,000, though I don't have any amount on my Telegram for now. I'm just making an instance. So you just have to enter. Okay, this is showing me that I have 0 USDT. So you have to enter your amount of USDT, then add the payment method. Remember I use bank transfer. After when you tap on bank transfer, it will bring a space for you to enter your bank account. I already have my bank account on this Telegram wallet. That is why it's being signified here. I just have to tap on it now. Then the next thing is to enter my amounts. I don't have more than 0. You see, it's showing my available balance. I don't have more than 0 USDT. That is why it's been showing. That is why it's showing me 0 USDT. But if you have more than that, it's going to indicate it here. It will be indicate. So if you enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell, you just have to tap on continue. When you tap on continue, it's going to create an order which you have to confirm. After confirming your order, the next thing is for you to wait for up to 10 minutes for it to be created, and wait for the next 1 hour for the buyer to confirm your order. After that, you are going to receive your payment on the bank account, on your account that you sent to the buyer. The bank transfer that you sent to the buyer, you're going to receive your money to that account number. So when you receive the money to that account number, you have to come back and confirm to Telegram that you have received your money, and also enter your passcode to show that, to signify Telegram that you have received your money, so that it will be confirmed on Telegram. So that way your transaction will be completed. So guys, I hope this video was detailed enough to give you full detailed steps on how to sell your crypto or token on Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's going to be very helpful to this video, and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.